Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to set Spotify song as ringtone. Generally speaking, you can't and are not allowed to make a Spotify song as the ringtone because Spotify music is encrypted and you can only play track on Spotify. Everyone is limited to directly download Spotify music to a local file for other uses even though the premium subscribers. However, nothing is impossible. There is still a way out to make Spotify ringtone no matter you are using an Android, iPhone, or computer. Now, follow this tutorial. Android supports MP3, WAV, M4A, and OGG formats as its ringtone formats. Since Android phones do not have many limitations on the transformation between devices, you can set the Spotify song as a ringtone with simpler procedures. Here, we represent to you the steps on how to download music to SoundPicker from Spotify and make it a ringtone. Step 1. Directly transfer the downloaded Spotify track to your Android phone by using a USB cable. Step 2. Go to Settings on your Android mobile device and tap on Sounds and Vibration. Then, choose the ringtone option to access the menu. Step 3. Tap on this and tap on the plus icon in the upper right corner of the screen and select the downloaded Spotify music from the folder that you have stored on the SoundPicker page. The Spotify song will start playing for your preview. Note, if you want the song to start at the beginning when a call starts, turn highlights only off by swiping the button to the left. When you are satisfied with the ringtone selection, simply click the Done. Your new Spotify music ringtone will be saved as soon as you exit the setting app. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.